Hello friends, how are you? My name is Sabir. This video I am showing you how to recover deleted file. So first go to Google and search this RECUVA and then download this tool. Okay, we are downloaded free version. If you need it, you can also buy. We are using to free version. Okay, it's down. Its download is completed. Okay, now we are install this. Okay, now we are run to this. And I want to my picture. If you want to select a specific location, but I don't know where is have this and start. It's taken sometimes for full scan. After scan completed, you will get file. Yes, this is the result. You can select here and you can recover from there. I think you like this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.